All right, let's look at the homework 4.4, problem number 5. All right, so let's evaluate this limit here. All right, so first we're going to just to see where it goes. As x approaches infinity, you can see that this guy approaches infinity. All right, but as x gets larger and larger, 2 pi over x is going to approach 0, but the sign of 0 is 0. So this guy approaches 0. Right? So we have this infinity times 0 situation. Right? So what you can do is you can rewrite it so that it's going to be either infinity over infinity or 0 over 0. All right, so let's see which one. Let's try to create a 0 over 0 situation. All right, so this is going to be, so it's a simple rewriting process. You have a limit as x approaches infinity. All right, so I'm going to probably keep sine of 2 pi over x upstairs. So you have a sine of 2 pi over x. All right. Then instead of writing x, I'm going to put, so multiplied by x is divided by its reciprocal, so it's a 1 over x. So we have that. All right. Then try to see where it goes, right? So we got the fraction, which is kind of what we wanted. So you can see it's a 1 over infinity, so the denominator approaches 0, and we just said that this guy approaches 0 as well. All right, now we could turn this situation into 0 over 0 situation. All right, now we can apply L'Hopital's rule. All right, so here, applying L'Hopital's rule, so we have a limit as x approaches infinity. All right, and the derivative of 1 over x is what, so this is the same thing as x to the negative 1, right? So if you take the derivative, put negative 1 in front, x, and then subtract 1 from the power, so it's a negative 2. All right? Then here on top, so you have a sine. Derivative sine is cosine, so you have a cosine of 2 pi over x, but we have to take the derivative of this. So 2 pi, let's see, 2 pi over x can be rewritten as 2 pi times x to the negative 1. So if you take the derivative of that, so 2 pi is just a constant there, and put the negative sign in front, so I'll probably put the negative sign, then you have x to the negative 2. Right? Right, so we got that. Then you can see that here we can cancel, right? Negative x to the negative 2 power, negative x to the negative 2 power. So you just have, let's clean it up. So what's left is, all right, limit as x approaches infinity. So you have a 2 pi, so that's just a constant. So you can actually put it outside here. It's just a number. All right, then you just have a cosine of 2 pi over x. All right, so that takes care of everyone. All right, as x approaches infinity, 2 pi over x approaches 0. But the cosine of 0 is 1. So this guy approaches 1. So we know that the limit is 2 pi times 1. So it's a 2 pi. All right, so let's type it in. So answer is 2 pi. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.